Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to share Wi-Fi password from iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to settings and after that go to WLAN, and of course you must be activating your Wi-Fi, and after that go to whatever network that you want to share the password of it, and click on that icon next to it, the blue one, like this. And as you can see, the second option is password. You have to click on it. And after that, as you can see, the password is shown. You can copy the password and send it to anyone that you want to send to him. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like